Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how quadratic formula is derived. We know that quadratic equations are generally of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, in which a is a non-zero number and a, b and c are real numbers. Now I'm going to rewrite this expression, this equation actually, in the completed the square form. First, I transfer the constant c to the other side, so it will be negative c. The next step was to factor coefficient of x squared, so it will be a x squared plus b over ax, because a times b over a and a cancel out each other, so b remains, which becomes bx. Then I leave a space here, is equal to minus c. If you remember, the next step was to add and subtract a square of half of coefficient of x. So a square of half. Half means multiplied by 1 over 2. So half of b over a means 1 over 2 times b over a. So it will become b over 2a. Is added, the same thing is subtracted. A squared. Now, it will become a. Now these three terms together will make the first identity. I write in the identity form a x plus b over 2a to the power of 2 minus b over 2a squared. I expand it, it will be b squared over 4a squared is equal to negative c. Now I multiply by a, it would be a x plus b over 2a to the power of 2 minus, if you multiply a by this expression, one of the a's cancel out each other, so it simplifies to b squared over 4a is equal to minus c. Now I'm looking for x, so step by step I should make x a subject. I first transfer this constant term to the other side, it will be a x plus b over 2a to the power of 2 is equal to, it would be b squared over 4a minus c. Now to get rid of this a, I multiply both sides by 1 over a. It will be x plus b over 2a to the power of 2 is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Now it will be x plus b over 2a to the power of 2. I take common denominator on the right hand side, so multiply by 4a multiply by 4a on the right hand side, you have 4a squared b squared minus 4a c. You see gradually quadratic formula discriminant part or delta is appearing. Now to get rid of this power 2, I take a square root from both sides. Now, so we will have x plus b over 2a is equal to, don't forget to put positive and negative, it will be radical b squared minus 4ac over radical 4a squared, so it would be a square root of 4a squared, it would be 2a. Now I transfer to the other side, x will be minus b over 2a positive negative radical b squared minus minus 4ac minus 4ac over 2a. They have already common denominator. I write them as a single fraction. It will be minus b plus minus radical b squared minus 4ac. And as you see, the formula, quadratic formula, is obtained. Thanks for watching this video.